I'm gonna do my best to keep this video short and simple and sweet and to the point for y'all. We are announcing our 2 winners, one for the Indians, one for the Harleys, giveaway for a free 2-speaker package installed by Davidson Audio here in Panama City, Florida. Before we announce who the actual 2 winners are, just real quick, this is what the giveaway was. We are doing 2 separate, completely free 2-speaker audio packages installed by Davidson Audio, one for an Indian platform and one for a Harley platform. So that being said, what this is going to include is it's going to be a DSP, a 4-channel amplifier, probably either an 800.4 or an FLX 700.4. And the fairing speakers and all the needed mounts, adapters, T-harnesses, custom tuned by us, installed by us here at Davidson Audio located in Panama City, Florida. That being said, that was one of the requirements. If you entered and you win, you have to come to us for the install. Now I will say it's up to the customer. If you guys want to expand your system beyond that, we can completely do that. The 2-speaker components is the bulk of the audio install, the components, that's the bulk of the price right there. So it's a great opportunity for somebody to get in there and then they can expand off of it. But I just want to preface, this is the free 2-speaker package. If you want to add anything onto it, you'll be responsible for the extra equipment. With that all being said, I am going to go over to the laptop. I will show you what we did is we took everybody from the sheets, we reviewed everything, and we entered everybody into our Google Sheets. And on Google Sheets, there is an option to select everything in just random order of the people. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna run it once and then a second time, and then the second time is when I'm gonna select the 2 winners. Again, one from the Indians and one from the Harley. I will say we had a lot more Indian customers register and a lot less Harleys. So whoever entered for the Harleys, you have a very, very good chance of winning this package. And once we run this, we will reach out to those 2 customers. So as soon as this video drops live, I will be making those calls, and then you will see those customer installs as future customer install videos. So let's go over the laptop. I'll show you what we got going on. We'll draw it, and then we'll conclude this video. So we have our laptop right here. I'll flip this around and explain it to you all in just a second, but like I said, we put everything in the Google Sheets, and we have done the formula. I'll show you what it is and randomize it. I've done it a couple of times to see like there is no pattern. It literally just grabs whatever one, just completely random. So real quick, for the Harleys, we only had 11 people, actually 12 people enter for a Harley platform. So you got really good odds. And real quick, when it comes to Indians, we had 137 people enter. If you can see this, this is the bottom of the list, and it just keeps on going. So obviously we're reaching a lot more Indian customers than Harleys. I guess that's what happens when you specialize in them and you're the best at them. Not trying to toot my own horn, I'm sorry. Facts are facts. So let's flip you around. We'll show you this real quick. We'll draw our 2 winners, and then we'll drop the video, and I'll be giving them a call this afternoon. All right, let's go ahead and get this drawing going. Again, here is our list. We've got everybody there. So then what we got to do is we got to go down here. We select all of them, and then, you know, just for anticipation, we go data, random, one more time, and we'll select the winner. And the winner of our challenger, Russell Hardy, with a 2023 Indian Challenger Pursuit. There you are. I will be giving a hold of Mr. Russell Hardy. So now let's go over to the Harley. I misspoke. I counted 12 here, but what it really is 10 people. So, you know, it's a super long list. Let's real quick randomize range. All right, Mark Glenziski. I am sorry if I butchered that, my man. So you have a 2020 Road Glide Limited. So both of y'all, we will be getting a hold of you by the time this video drops. We'll have already called those people. Getting real up close and personal with y'all. Sorry, my forehead's glaring, you know, it's freshly shaved. Anyways, thank you for everybody that entered this giveaway. Apologies if you didn't win. If you entered the Harley side, you had a really good chance. You had a 1 in 10 chance. You had 10% chance. So again, Mark Glenziski. I'm probably butchering that. My apologies, Mr. Glenn. Road Glide Limited 2020. Awesome, because we have all the parts for that. And then for the Indians, Russell Hardy with the 2023 Indian Challenger or Pursuit. Same platform, one's touring, one's not. Congratulations to both of you. I will be reaching out to both of you today. So by the time this video drops, I will have already called you and make sure everything's good. And then, like I said, congratulations to both of you who won. And thank you all so much for entering this giveaway. I know some people are probably going to be bummed, but don't worry. We're going to do more than one giveaway throughout the year. So just stay tuned to the channel. All over social medias. We'll be announcing more giveaways. And also we like to team up with other companies to do giveaways. So maybe we'll reach out to some companies and see what we can get some smaller giveaways throughout the year as well. So thank you again so much for everybody. One, for the support on our YouTube, our social media, period, and coming over, showing us all the love and support during our event here at our shop, or at the event over at Wayne's at Audio Solutions and Accessories. That entire crew put on a great show, great event. Love going over there and supporting them. So thank you all so much. Look forward to getting hold of these two, getting them in here, getting the installs done, and then also seeing, you know, what we have in the future. So y'all stay tuned, because we have a lot going on right now. A lot of the behind the scenes stuff that you're going to see coming out very soon, which will be changing the stuff for the Indians a lot. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. So if y'all look for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian, Harley, Victory, motorcycle, period, cars, trucks, make sure you check us out. We'd be more than happy to help y'all. Come visit us sometime in Panama City, Florida. It's a beautiful place to vacation with your family. Can't wait to see y'all. God bless all of you. Have an amazing day and stay safe out there.